Rigathi Gachagua, ndugu yangu na rafiki yangu na party leader wa DAP party, Mheshimiwa Deputy President Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, party leader wa chama ya Wiper, viongozi wote mlio hapa, hamjambo tena. Hamjambo. Mnasema mlembe. Muriega. Asanteni. Wacha nichukue nafasi kwa dakika moja niliyopewa. Niseme Mheshimiwa Eugene Wamalwa, I'm very happy today to be here with you. You are a great friend of the mounting people. We have seen you stand and support the people of Mount Kenya when Kasongo regime rained on us and they wanted to fight our son and do whatever they wanted to do to him. I remember with nostalgia, you and the Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, we gathered one day at a church, Pale Bypass. And the statement you released, it gave our people hope. And we realized that we are not alone and we are not walking this journey without our help and without the rest of Kenya joining us. I'm very happy to see how Gema has come together. Our lost cousins and our cousins who sometimes we felt like we were a distance far from you, we are now united. Gema is united more than ever before. Our brothers from Western Kenya, I think I've seen Honorable Eugene Wamalwa with my younger brother and my fellow MCA. Tuliitwa ma MCA siku moja, mtu anaitwa Cleo. Western Kenya has come back to its feast, to the lost glory of the days of our former president, the resting president. His name was Wamalwa. I'm forgetting the first name of the brother. Michael Kijana Wamalwa. The days when you would meet and tell Tinga off. The days you'd meet and agree you're forming government. I stand here as a daughter of Mombi and a daughter of Gema to invite you today, now that we've come to visit you, we've come to woo you. Join us in this journey. You may know Kasongo better than we do, because tangu ile chungo ya kwanza iliyooza, Eugene Wamalwa na Kalonzo Musyoka mlikuwa kule Pentagon. My brother Rigathi Gachagua, saa hiyo alikuwa mtu ya mkono ya Uhuru Kenyatta. We want the minds of the dynastic families in this country, the minds of our sons who have helped these people to do and do well. There is no secret and there is no success of the President Uhuru Kenyatta without talking about His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua. This is the man who brought Uhuru and introduced him to politics. Kalonzo Musyoka is the man who held Uhuru and who held President Mwai Kibaki's hand. Tukapata serikali ile ilikuwa inaitwa ya NAK. Na kwa hivyo mimi nikimalizia, I see a fresh beginning. I see a concerted effort. The church, you're not alone. Civil society, you're not alone. Gen Zs, you're not alone. Our mothers and fathers, you're not alone. Wale mnaabdaktiwa kwa kusema SHA is not working, you're not alone. The journey has started today and it is a one-term president called Kasongo going home, na kati ya hawa watatu tutakuwa na mmoja wao wakiongezewa Martha Karua na wengine watakao tuunga. Tunataka hiyo siku ikifika tunaapisha mmoja wenu akiwa rais wa taifa la Kenya, rais wa 6. Asanteni.
Thank you. I had to give her the microphone, but when she was speaking, I have seen my brother has walked in, Mheshimiwa Onesmus Gogoyo from Kajiado North, na nimerudi hapa kwa sababu kuna mheshimiwa mwingine nilikuwa nimesa